This tutorial is to show you how to create a screening protocol. Protocol setting guides the user through the protocol options with simple setting screens. This customizes the device to tailor it specific to the screening program. To create a protocol, select the hamburger menu at the top left corner. Select Manage Protocols. A demonstration MAICO sample protocol is listed. Add a new protocol by selecting the plus icon at the bottom right corner. The first protocol screen contains several selectable items, as the remaining screens are tailored based on this entry. This tutorial is specific to the RASA, Rapid Assisted Screening Audiometry Test Method. This is a term introduced by MAICO to describe the simplified sweep screening process available on select MAICO devices. This allows for fixed hearing levels and frequencies to quickly progress through the test and include a pass or refer result upon completion. This can be set to manual or automatic test operation. Please review the tutorial on screening methods to understand the differences and make correct selection for your testing needs. The automatic test toggle switch should be activated if the protocol should be assigned as an automatic test. For manual test operation, the toggle switch should be inactivated. Enter a name with the onboard keyboard and use the right arrow to move to the next screen. Selection of screening frequencies is next. Select the frequencies that are required for your hearing screening program. The blue check mark indicates those frequencies activated and part of the protocol. Use the right arrow to continue. Set level allows assigning a screening level for each frequency and determines the level allowed to pass the hearing screening. Use the arrows besides the level shown to make a change. Once completed and confirmed for each frequency, use the right arrow to continue. Choose frequency order is the next protocol option. Since the audiometer will automatically move to the next frequency upon scoring, choose the frequency order you would like the easyTone to progress through. Selection can be made between frequencies and ears. Once you tap onto the first frequency, the remaining selections are removed. Continue selecting the order until all frequencies have a number above them. Select Reset will return to the default settings. Pass criteria is the fifth selection screen. Requiring 2 responses per frequency is the recommendation, and this setting is defaulted to on. If there is a need to inactivate this setting, then tap the setting to turn off. The device will always require a confirmation for a refer result at each frequency, regardless of this setting. The last setting is a signal type. The selection options are steady tone, pulse tone, warble tone, and pulse warble tone. Make your selection here. Once all selections are made, select Create to save the protocol and return to the protocol list. If another protocol is required, select the Add button again and continue to create. When a RASA automatic test is selected from the protocol selection, there are 3 changes to the protocol items. 1 is from the Set Pass Criteria screen. An automatic test always requires a confirmation of a result at each frequency to move on, so this screen will not be displayed in an automatic protocol. Second is the Choose Frequency order, which can be set to Custom, as explained previously, or select Random, where frequencies are in a randomized order, always starting at 1000 Hz. And third is the Signal type. Steady and Pulse are the available selection options. There are an unlimited number of protocols that can be created. When multiple protocols are created, to change the order of the protocol, simply hold and drag the protocol to the preferred placement. When done with protocol creation, select the back arrow to return to the Start screen. Protocol selection is made from the Start screen or Test screen with the Protocol dropdown. Once a protocol is selected, it will remain the startup protocol even when closing the app. This completes the tutorial on creating a screening protocol. Please continue through the tutorial series for additional easyTone instruction.